Which nutrient is the body's main source of quick energy? Carbohydrates. Which food is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids? Fish. Salmon. Which type of bread is the healthiest choice? Whole wheat. What is the main benefit of eating fruits and vegetables? Provide vitamins. Which mineral is vital for muscle and nerve function? Potassium. Which dairy product is best for gut health? Yogurt. Which vitamin helps protect cells from damage? Vitamin E. Which food group should fill the largest part of your plate? Vegetables. Which essential nutrient helps transport vitamins in the body? Fat. What is the main role of antioxidants in the diet? Fight free radicals. Which cooking method uses the least amount of unhealthy fat? Steaming. What is the main risk of high sodium intake? High blood pressure. Which food is generally low in calories but high in nutrients? Leafy greens. Which sugar is naturally found in fruits? Fructose. What is the best protein source for vegetarians? Legumes. Beans. Which vitamin is produced by the skin when exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Which type of fiber helps lower cholesterol? Soluble fiber. Which simple sugar is the body's preferred source of energy? Glucose. What is a good example of a complex carbohydrate? Oatmeal. Which nutrient provides the most calories per gram? Fat. Which plant food is a complete source of protein? Soybeans. Which drink contains caffeine and is a source of antioxidants? Green tea. Which fat is usually solid at room temperature? Saturated fat. Which food is known to be a superfood? Blueberries. What is the main benefit of drinking a glass of milk? Bone strength. Which nutrient takes the longest to digest? Protein. Which food is rich in vitamin B12? Meat. Which beverage is best for rehydration after heavy exercise? Water. Which food is high in both fiber and healthy fats? Avocado. Which food is not a good source of vitamin C? Beef. Which mineral is often added to table salt? Iodine. Which eating pattern focuses on mostly plant-based foods? Mediterranean. Which fruit is known for its high potassium content? Banana. A lack of this vitamin causes night blindness. Vitamin A. Which group of vitamins is water soluble? B and C. Which nutrient is essential for enzyme creation? protein? Which vegetable is also a good source of protein? Broccoli. Which food item is a source of refined carbohydrates? White rice. What is a healthy cooking oil choice? Olive oil. Which food contains probiotics? Sauerkraut. Which part of whole grain provides fiber? Bran. Which substance is an emulsifier found in eggs? Lecithin. Which food should be limited due to high sugar content? Soda. Which food is an example of an empty calorie source? Candy. How much of a healthy plate should be fruits and vegetables? Half. Which oil is rich in vitamin E? Sunflower oil. Which mineral helps regulate fluid balance in the body? Sodium. Which is the most important meal of the day? Breakfast. What is the key to maintaining a healthy weight? Balanced diet. Which food is a fermented product? Kefir.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.